When choosing motor oil for your vehicle, what is the most important thing you look for? For us, quality is the benchmark and API certifies that. But what is API? The American Petroleum Institute sets the benchmark for quality. It identifies a series of specifications for gasoline and diesel vehicles. Besides complying with the latest specifications, PSO goes one step ahead. The sheer quality of PSO lubricants makes them one of the best in the market. Furthermore, PSO has proudly attained API certification for its lubricants, only to deliver nothing less than the best.